हमारे हिंदी व्यूअर्स के लिए भी हमने एक चैनल लॉन्च किया है, जेल एजुकेशन हिंदी। आपको अगर खुद देखना है, किसी के साथ शेयर करना है, तो प्लीज क्लिक ऑन द लिंक हियर. Another component to our jobs and salaries, this time we're talking about actuarial science. Now, I remember back in the day, I think this was when I just was entering my degree college. It's almost 13, 14 years ago. Actuarial science was the number one job in the US in terms of payment, in terms of what you earn. It is also till date considered as one of the, if not the most difficult course to actually complete. And again, till a few years back, all across the world, there were only a handful of actuaries who have basically completed the entire qualification. In India, there were only triple digit, but meaning less than 1,000 people till a couple of years ago on the official website, which said that I think it was 600-700 actuaries alone who had completed all the exams. So what is about this exam? I remember somebody had told me again when that back in the day that if you're thinking of actuarial science, what you have to do is you have to lock yourself in the room, throw the key away for 5 years and just study, because if you do this and you'll end up completing this qualification, your life is going to be different. They also say that if you end up completing the burnout, as in most people who become complete actuaries, they work intensely for a few years and then they retire. So they retired at an early age, they've made enough money, they've done the work. That's the typical lifestyle I have heard, or the career trajectory I've heard for actuaries. Now, while that is the top of the top of the top, and there, if I talk about Indian salary, I'm assuming it can go in crores and crores, because they are that sort of, and that also internationally as well, not just in India. However, what the real, more practical scenario I've seen is actuarial science, I think 15 or 16 exams. As long as you complete a few, right, you can start working. So what happens is if you're in college and you have just, picked it up, you can aim at completing 5-6 exams along with your college. And even if you're a graduate, basically anytime in your life you complete 3, 4, 5 papers, you can start working most likely in the insurance sector. The insurance sector is the one which uses actuaries the most. That being said, that is also growing, because actuaries is all about risk, and it is statistical risk. It is not the kind of risk we study in the FRM program or the kind of risk management you hear in a typical situation. This is much more complicated risk, much more difficult for any other kind of a qualification to really get. I'll give you an example. Actuaries actually take into account so many unknown factors, such as life expectancy. How is it that somebody might actually die? What is the likelihood based on their genetics, based on their age, based on where they stay, based on the likelihood of accidents? And that's a really difficult way to predict what kind of life insurance premium to charge the world. So all of these complications are done by actuaries. I think that even if you've completed a few papers, you can start working in companies like Aditya Birla Life Insurance, I've heard, Sun Life Birla, I've heard. These are the kind of companies where you can start working. And if I'm not wrong, the salary package is decent. It ranges from 5 to 10 lakhs. But I think as you do well, or maybe as you give more exams, your salary goes higher and higher. The key is ensure that if you're taking it up, you speak to at least 5-10 people in the industry who have studied some papers of actuaries, because that number is quite large. There are tens of thousands of students who take up actuarial science, give a few exams, but then the ones who complete is a very, very small number. So still, you can find people who have worked, understand how many papers they cleared, how was it, what kind of job they got, how easy was it, what's the kind of role, what's the salary package, and accordingly make a decision. Lastly, actuarial science is a global phenomena. So rest assured that India can be a first step if you want to move overseas. Everywhere it is recognized, and because it is so complicated and so difficult, that the number of people who are pursuing it is small. So if you take up this leap of faith, I think you'll eventually find your way into a really decent career. Just make sure you've done your homework, and if beyond this there's anything you would like us to make on this qualification, leave it in the comments below.